English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Feifei, why are you cutting holes in that bedsheet?
Oh, just getting my costume ready for tonight, Neil. I'm coming as a ghost. What about you?
I don't really feel like it, Feifei.
I thought you were bringing your new girlfriend.
Sadly not. She hasn't replied to any of my messages for a whole week.
Oh, sorry, Neil. Looks like she's ghosting you.
No, like I said, she's not coming tonight. You'll be the only ghost at the party, I'm afraid.
Neil, ghosting is a slang word. If you ghost someone, it means you suddenly stop all communication with them with no explanation.
Ah, right. Yes, she doesn't answer my calls, doesn't reply to my texts.
That's ghosting. Some people do it to end a relationship.
So, are you saying she wants to split up with me?
I don't know, but it's not a very nice way to treat people. We even use the word ghosting between friends when one stops contacting the other. It's not only for romantic relationships. Anyway, help me cut this second eye out of my ghost costume while we play some examples.
Katja felt awful for weeks after being ghosted by a guy she really liked.
Keiko wanted to break up with her boyfriend but didn't want to upset him. So when he suddenly started ghosting her, she actually felt relieved.
Jorge and Rafa used to hang out all the time at school, but once they started university, Jorge just ghosted Rafa.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this program is ghosting. And Neil, there we are. One ghost costume. Thanks for your help.
I just want to know why, Feifei. Why is she ghosting me? What did I do wrong?
Neil, that's the difficult thing about ghosting. You won't get those answers. Sorry.
Oh, it's her.
What is she saying?
Sorry, Neil. I lost my phone last week and only just found it again. Call me. Kiss.
There you go.
She sent a kiss. Feifei, let's make her a costume. I'm going to invite her to this party.
Okay, one more ghost costume?
No, I think I've had enough ghosts for one day.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.